bro, fuck like game nigga mission. This nigga about diamonds, so my nigga shut your nasty ass up. Yo, this nigga about diamonds, so look at that nigga brother with ourselves. That nigga jump over, we thought he was gonna return into Spider-Man like shit. This nigga about diamonds, so my nigga nuts and I make like that. Yo, I'm thinking of jokes on my head and I'm still blinking the fuck out this nigga. This nigga about diamonds, so my nigga nuts and I make like that. That's why that nigga get beat up by both fresh and iPhone charger. You nasty knock ass nigga, you about diamonds, so yo, this fuck nigga repeating the same shit. Yo, this nigga just told him like three.
This nigga named Lorski, nigga, I can do this all day, but this nigga ass. What this nigga said? Let me hear the sound.
My range underrated, I fuck around, shoot from the logo. I pull out the oh no, the engine too loco. Niggas impressed, but I didn't.
It's gone. Your mic is gone. Your mic is gone. Your mic is gone.
Diamonds, I'm fucking fuck out that grandma ass nigga. This nigga my ugly as hell. Yo, coming up, I just my nasty as hell. That's why you come like a foot up. I cheap dresses with a tutu on. Yo, this nigga my nasty as hell, my nigga. Shut the fuck up, you dumb ass nigga. Alright, kill him, cause you got no fucking jokes. Send me the right. No way.
Frozen. Heavily kicked out of school, but dropped 30 in Beverly. I'm with a lot to the bitch in the heavily working. These bitches turn her to a felony. Squeeze on the glizzy, little bitch.
5 dB, 20 dB, 20 dB.
Is this good, Dad? 20 dB? 20 dB?
This nigga look like a freaky like this nigga dirty shit. This nigga like a freaky
Nigga, suck that shit up in your ass, nigga. But this nigga suck my corner like shit. But this nigga did a backwards and turned into a kangaroo.
This nigga like a freaky
Nigga, suck that shit up in your ass, nigga.
SpongeBob with corn rolls. This nigga dirty as shit. Hey, I see you.
Pull off his hip hop, wedge at Kennedy. Fizz, red, went by the Jenny. Bitch got a bag, she